Coco here with
Dragon Flu!
and today, I don't know.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm sorry.
I'm doing my treasure hunt. That's what I'm doing. What are you
No!
Are you alright? No! No, come back!
I got stuck on the slide again. Hold on.
Wait, where'd you go? What the? You're not, you just left me! No!
Oh, there's nothing good
Where'd you
on
go?
here. I
What?
swear there's nothing good on the treasure hunts.
You went on your treasure hunt? Oh!
Yay! Wait.
I'm okay,
I
got
should
you
stop
a
singing. Woo! Do
I got you.
Okay, I should really stop.
Yes, you should stop. Whatever you're doing, you just stop right now.
I got a smoothie.
Cracky on this.
What
Oh.
on this? Okay. Guys, watch this. Ha! 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 What is this? Oh my god. Damn it! Oops. Sprinkles! Ah!
Oh no, I didn't stop.
Do. Ah! Ha!
Get it,
Ha!
quickly.
Ha!
Oh,
Dang it!
oh.
What?
Look at it. Dude, it's right in the middle of one of my videos. Like,
Geckos,
no.
geckos.
I win!
Geckos, geckos.
Oh, stop it, stop! I am going back and forth across the screen because I want to watch this. This is bad. No. You're like, oh my god, what if you got apples on camera? Apples. I swear, you better have not recorded that. I'm getting popcorn. Goodbye.
Gecko! Oops. Where'd you go? Are you getting popcorn without me? No, you can't.
I will kill you.
You won't find me at all.
I will. I know I will. Don't try to run, because I will find you.
No, you won't. Oh, that was so cute. How do you get up there?
Haha, I know where you are now.
Shoot! Oh, this is so cute!
Stop acting like Cookie Swirl C. That's so annoying.
Oh!
No, you don't. Oh my god, look at my flying outfit. Whoa! Whoa!
No. How to get a girlfriend.
Why? Like,
This is how you get a girlfriend. You go to the raccoon den and find a girlfriend.
no.
I am drunk.
It's not even funny anymore. I'm crying. God.
Wait. Horses were domesticated about what years ago? Like, I'm pretty sure it's like 6,000 years ago.
Okay, but I'm logging off.
No, it's 10,000.
Logging off.
Of course, horses are herbivores. They don't eat people.
Hold on, I'm gonna do a live, yeah.
Grazing.
You're gonna be on the phone, and I'm doing a live stream.
400. Cloven hooves. Submit.
Malin, you do know I'm doing a live stream, like, in a minute. What? How do you do? Wait. Did you?
Hold on.
Stay right here. Go to settings. Go to settings. What the? Okay. What? I guess I just have to use my phone. But if I get logged off, sorry.
I'm over here taking a test.
Yeah, I know.
Yay, got it all right. We all know I got this right.
Seriously.
Pretty sure I did. Okay, guys, I am back, and I will be giving away this full steampunk outfit.
Hi.
Dragon, shush. And so, if you want to win this full outfit, I'm sorry, I cannot talk right now. I'm like seriously sick. Just comment down below your username, and you may have a chance of winning it. And yeah, I seriously cannot talk right now.
Wait, seriously.
So I guess I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Our final song. Carry on. So don't let this be our final song.